Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your bookmarks in Google. So first of all, open up Google Chrome, make sure to go to Chrome and not Google. Now once you're at Chrome, click on these three dots at the top right corner right here, and in here click on bookmarks. In here you will find all your bookmarks. As I only have one, I'm just going to select it and delete it from here. If you have multiple, you can select them as well. And after that, just click on this button and all of those bookmarks will be deleted. So that is how you can delete bookmarks from Google Chrome. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your bookmarks on Google Chrome at once. So first of all, open up Google Chrome. Now once you're here, click on these three dots right here, and in here go to Bookmarks and List and click on Bookmark Manager. Now if you want to delete some of them at once, select one, then click on Control, select the other one, select the other one and click on Delete. Now if you want to delete all of them, simply click on Ctrl A, all of them will be selected and click on Delete. So you can either delete the ones that you want or you can also delete them all. So that is how you can delete bookmarks on Google Chrome.